Hey everyone, Wago Warrior aka Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for when you get old. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the January 2022 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alrighty, so for Boxycharm, this arrived early in the month. By early, I mean I got it on the 13th or the 14th, I forget. I got an email, didn't see it on my porch. Has been found in the mailbox. What's up with that? Never comes in the mailbox. So, anyways, before the 17th of the month. That's early. If anyone is new to what Boxycharm is all about, it is a beauty subscription where for $27.99, we'll round up to $28 a month, you get 5 full-size products. And the products range from skincare, makeup, those are the 2 primary, but every now and again we will get some hair care products. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what the theme is for the month. All right, so the theme is refresh, new year, new goals, new whatever. We're gonna refresh. And I have iteration really long number. The card does contain descriptions of the products and has the MSRP value. All right. Why? I'm not even looking. I just opened this up. I am going to guess what this product is just by feeling it. It is going to be a 2-pack of beauty blending sponges, probably from Araceli. Am I right? What is this? Oh, pff. How did I know? No, I didn't see sneak peeks. But I do recall last month, possibly in the premium, I don't know. Okay, I got 2 beauty blenders. I'm up the yin yang sponges. Will I use it? Yes. Am I going to appreciate that they say that's going to cost like 40 bucks? No. What do they say it costs? Okay, not 40, 24. Still pricey. Moving along. Okay, so the next item, yes, some redemption, although I swear this is also a repeat item. This is from the Farmacy, and it's called Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just from this line. I know recently in one of the boxes they had some honey. I don't know. We'll say it's new. Okay, and this is 30 ml, which is standard for a serum. How much do they say this bad boy costs? Holy cow, this is $44, which it's Farmacy. That's probably standard. Okay, am I gonna get any makeup in this box? Probably not. What is this? I recognize this packaging. So this is from Dermelect, and it's a Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. So like color correcting, is it going to be kind of like, ooh, very, packaging surprised me. I'm questioning why the box was so big, but wait, is this going to be like an orangey, almost like a concealer? Ooh, okay, I was expecting, especially like this, there to be a doe foot. All right, so this is the trend lately, getting these, which I love for under the eye, because it's metal and it feels cooling. Let's do a swatch and see if it's orange or not. Oh, no! Not orange at all. Interesting. So it's like an eye serum with this. Okay, got several of these going, which I love. For some reason, when they said, I thought it would have some color to the product. It has a very soft, light floral, but in a good way, floral scent. Ooh, I like that. Okay. What is the retail price of this product? Shut the front door. This is $59. I don't remember what I picked. I have a feeling maybe that, I don't know. I honestly don't know. All right, next item. We have something from Item Beauty. Not sure with all the white if it's going to wash out. This here is the Quip lip oil. They sure like giving me tongue twisters, don't they? It comes in the shade, which on camera doesn't look anything like what it looks like in person. This is Come Through. It looks very melony, like cinnamon, orange, spice in person. Maybe in editing it will look the same. On my little monitor, it looked very different. Ooh, okay, yes. Wonder if it has a scent, because... Ooh, it does. What does that smell like? Goodness? I don't know, kind of like very soft watermelon, like barely there. I'm probably wrong. Cantaloupe with, I don't know, yum goodness. Here's the swatch. It's a little peachy, orangey shade, very shiny, smells yummy. You know me. Let's see how she does. She's a thick oil. Oh my goodness. No, I was wrong. Not watermelon. What did I say? I think it's more nectarine or peach, which makes sense with the color. I like it. It's thick, not sticky at all. And man, did it make my lips shiny. This here retails for $14, and I'm shocked. Leave me a comment. On the card, Boxycharm says new brand of Boxy. I swear we've gotten Item Beauty for a long time now. Unless everything I've received from Item Beauty has been in an Ipsy. Maybe that's possible. Alright. What else did I get? Yes! Okay. So this repeat item is from LYS Beauty, and it's the No Limits Matte Bronzer. By repeat, meaning Boxycharm has given this in another box. Either in their Luxe, in their Premium, possibly even in the base box, but you just didn't receive it. This one, I'm glad, because I saw other people get it, I don't know, a couple months ago. And I was like, I want that. And I didn't see it for sale on add-ons. So I'm glad I got this. This is what the packaging looks like. The kind that's beautiful, but then 2 seconds later has all of your fingerprints all over it. Okay, yes. Let me do a swatch. There she is right there. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. If and when I get through my contour stick. Okay, what does this retail for? Wow, that is a really, really reasonable price for a bronzer. It's $18. All right, I'm going to recap everything I got. A Hyaluronic Serum, a Dark Circle Corrector, a lip oil, some beauty sponges, and a bronzer. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I enjoyed every product I received. The one that's a little, it's a bad repeat. I don't know, it's 24 bucks. I can get sponges from Shop Miss A for under $4 for two. Will I use them? Yeah. That's my only, I'd rather get a product, you know what I mean? But yes, I will wear and enjoy this lip oil. The bronzer, I already explained I had some FOMO, so I'm super happy to get that. This may have been my choice. Do I use skincare? Yes, so I'm going to enjoy that. Curious about this. Love eye creams. I find it interesting they call this a dark circle corrector instead of just an eye cream. But I'm going to put this bad boy to the test to see if it actually covers my dark circles. Because Lord knows I have plenty to test a product with. I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total of the box. Let me know your thoughts. What did you get this month? Were you jelly of my box, or were you like, oh girl, you got one of the worst ones? I have no concept. I just go off of, do I like at least 4 to 5 of the products? If so, it's a good box. If I'm like, future giveaway, no, it's not so good. But I am very pleased with this box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And do me the biggest of all favors, which takes you literally 2 seconds and means the world to me. If you could click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.